Okay, so good morning. I sit here at my hangar, just outside my hangar in the Twin Comanche. I've been sitting in here for, maybe 40 minutes. I'm on my way, or I'm trying to be on my way up to Lancaster. Right now, there's quarter-mile visibility, 200 vertical visibility. So it's well below minimums. So yeah, I've got, I'm looking at my Garmin 530 WASP sitting in here. And I'm also looking at my KX155. And I bought an IFD550, and I'm excited about getting that put in for the #1 radio. As soon as I did that, the #2 Navcom sympathy failed. So it's got some issues. I can restart it by sliding it out of the rack and putting it back in. Not the best situation here, so certainly hoping to get up to Lancaster this morning for the weather to come up, fly up there, and get them to change out the #1 Navcom for the new radio to repair the KX155. It's either the tray or the radio. And they're also going to take a look at the KI209. I don't like having anything in this panel that isn't working, so we're going to look at that. We have quite a bit of new technology in the airplane today. We've got the IFD550 we're going to play with. I'm just getting over a cold, so no IMC for a while for that reason, and because I have new equipment. So new IFD550, the COM2 was repaired. They didn't find anything wrong with it actually, but they did find a broken tray. And I knew I had a broken tray, and at some point they told me no. So I said, let's take a look at everything, make sure all the connections are good, and they ended up replacing the #1 tray, so things were moving back there. I suspect that's what was going on. So at any rate, got a brand new radio, IFD550, got the KX155 down below that. I've got a KI209 that swapped out for the one that failed the glide slope. So I have 0 squawks. They did blow out my shock absorber on my door, but I ordered another one. I'm not even going to complain about that.
Number 3 Delta Foxtrot, traffic's 1 o'clock in about 7 miles. They're westbound. It's Cessna 182 climbing out of 5,200 for eastbound.
We're looking for that traffic, looking for lower 3 Delta Fox.
3 Delta.
You broke up on that last transmission for 3 Delta Fox.
Number 3 Delta Foxtrot, contact Norfolk approach 119.45. Just advise them that you're looking for the traffic.
119.45, 3 Delta Fox. Norfolk, Twin Comanche 833 Delta Fox 6000, looking for traffic.
833 Delta Foxtrot Norfolk approach, altimeter 3034, advising of the weather at Williamsburg.
I have the weather at Williamsburg, looking for lower.
We're at 927 Sierra Foxtrot, contact Oceana 123.9er, good day.
123.9er, 7 Sierra Fox, good day.
For 52 Quebec, squawk 4330, 4330. Detroit Lima, ident altimeter 3034 now.
Ident 3034, Detroit Lima.
Jack 31, roger, turn left heading at 320 heading.
Three Delta Fox, looking for lower.
Number 5 to Quebec, your radar contact 5 miles north of Chesapeake Airport, and you said you want the RNAV to 28 at Hampton Roads. Number 5 to Quebec, roger. Turn right-hand turn heading of 110. Vector set you up for the RNAV 28. Jack 31, you have Newport News in sight, 10 miles off your 10 o'clock.
Norfolk 833 Delta Fox, we'll cancel IFR.
Anytech 31, you're clear direct initial, you can contact tower 118.7.
Norfolk, you copy 833 Delta Fox?
833 Delta Fox, I got you loud and clear, sir. Do you have a request?
Yeah, I'm at 6,000 feet and 17 from my destination, 13 from my destination. I'd like to cancel IFR and descend now.
The 3 Delta Foxtrot, Stephen stepped on about 3 times there. Sorry about that. You said you are canceling IFR at this time.
Yeah, I'm still at 6,000. I got to land.
3 Delta Foxtrot, roger, sir. Cancellation indices, squawk maintain VFR, free and change proof. Sorry about that.
No problem. We'll see you. Williamsburg, Twin Comanche turning left downwind, runway 31, Williamsburg.
Henderson traffic, Archer 79er Papa Alpha, maneuvering 5 miles southwest.
New Ken traffic, Roman 26142, short final 29, New Ken.
Mecklenburg traffic, 1 Victor Victor is showing the downwind, about to turn base, runway 1 Mecklenburg.
Girl supports my dreams. Thank you, everyone.